here I'm just using Treseme's dry shampoo, and I'm just putting it all over my head. It works better if it's a second day hair. So if you like wash your hair the night before, the curl would last longer, or it would hold longer, at least in my case, because my hair is stubborn. So right here I'm just making sure that there's no tangles, so I'm combing my hair. And I'm parting it into two sections. So I'm just getting small sections of my hair and just kind of do this step, like in and out type of curl. So it creates that cream looking curl, like a beach wave curls. So basically I'm just repeating these steps. It's kind of hard or a challenge doing it like in the back of your head, obviously, especially my cord is like not enough. As you can see, I'm like struggling. The struggle is real. So I'm just making sure that there's curls in the back. It doesn't need to be perfect because I'm going for a messy hairstyle anyways. As soon as you're happy, you can use a hairspray. Here I'm using Red Can number 12. I like it because it holds the curls, but it's not like those other hairspray where it's like make your hair like I don't know how to explain it, like hard, but this one makes your hair soft. So I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm just doing it on the other half part of my hair. So basically I'm just repeating the same steps as what I did before. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, please subscribe, and follow me on my social media accounts. So yeah, for more videos like this, just leave a comment. Thank you.